Oh, hey guys, what are you doing? Will, can you see Hal's mom? Did you know what Hal just did? What? Hal had something bad, and Hal just got in the fire in our house, and Hal just got it inside bad things too. You know that, Mom? So, you know what the reason is? Why of the credit is? Because Hal wanted to make it of the COVID-19 of the coronavirus. Hal did something bad. I don't hurt Hal because Hal does by an accident, but can you come in? Yeah, okay, come in. Pretty cool. Aw, thank you for loving me, guys. Wait a minute. Where is Hal? Maybe the first letter. Maybe Hal just said too bad and he just left out of the house. Oh, you're right. Oh, that's what that gets. Unless. Hey, get back here.